Right, guys, welcome to one more session on Linux. In this particular session, we are going to learn about system logs and monitoring. It is very important that we should know about system logs when you're managing Linux. Now, before we understand log monitoring, what is a log monitor or what is a log? Now, everything that happens on the system, right? Like a file is deleted, a file is created, downloaded a application, downloaded a software, booting is happening, or a cron job is running. Everything is recorded as one log. And where they are stored, straight away, they are stored in a folder called as /var/log. There are different types of logs like boot log, Crenoid NTP log, cron log, mail log, secure log, messages, and HTTP log. These are the different logs that are available. Now let's go to our console and look into this particular logs. Let me log into the server. Let me go to this folder. Let's say ls. Okay, I'm not the root folder, so it is not showing. Sudo su. I'm logging as the root user. Now do a ls. Now you can see all the inbuilt folders. You see there's a folder called as /var. Let me go into that. Cd var ls. Now you see here there's a folder called as log. So in this particular folder var, there's a folder called as var. Let me log in log. So let me go into that log. Now let's do a ls. Now you see there are a lot of folders. Okay. One is for the Amazon, Crony, BTMT, okay, DPKG, syslogs. Let me go into this syslogs. It is a file, right? Cat syslog. Enter. Now it is showing me all the system logs. I can do this. Okay, so that it gives an option for me to go and browse all the logs. So whatever is happening on the system, right? It will keep this as one particular log. Now let's see this. Let's give ll-l. Okay, now we can see all the logs again. Now let's say okay, there's not much applications on this server. Let's say Amazon. Okay, cd, and you see again this file. Who can access? Only root can access. Only root has a full permissions. Go to Amazon ls. You see there is ssm folder. So all the logs related to Amazon application will store in this particular folder. You see ssm agent. Let's say cat and this folder. Paste, enter. So you'll be able to see all the logs related to that particular file. So similarly, every application cdvar cdvar ls cd log to list all the files. So now every application will have one folder here and all the logs related to that application is stored in this particular folders. Now you see apt, it has one folder. So everything that you install using the utility apt that logs will be stored under this. Now, why this is very important? When the system breaks, you want to understand what has happened. If somebody removes a file, deletes a file, create a file, if you want to do who has done what exactly, right? So this is where you come, and this is where you see the logs. So all these are stored under a folder called as slash var slash log. And let's say if it is related to Nginx, it will be slash var slash log slash Nginx. Let me go into that folder, ls. Now you see there is access log, error log. I want to see access log. Okay, there is nothing in there. So error log also, ideally there will be nothing. So if there is anything there, we can see those particular logs. Okay, that is how you work with logs on Unix system. Thank you very much for joining, guys. See you guys in the next session.